episode of Exploring with Cece.
Today we're in Playa del Carmen.
Right now we are at Mayalav Laundry. Those who ask where I get my laundry done, I do it myself. Decided I want to start spending less money and just being more conscious of my spending habits. So now go to a self-serve laundromat, and it's really nice and inexpensive. I can do about 6 loads of laundry very quickly, and I love it. So Mayalav Lavenderia is located in central Playa del Carmen, and we live across the highway, which is basically a terminology used to describe the location across the main federal highway that separates the beach side from more of a local side where people speak Spanish more and have their own residential communities away from the beach. Now, it's not that bad driving in the area. As you can see, there is a lot of junctions where there are no stop signs, so I would just use a little bit more cautious driving when you're driving around. Be mindful of the motorcyclists and be mindful of people walking and maybe speed bumps as well. Just have to take things slow, and sometimes you'll end up in a situation like this where you have no stop sign and you have to just take a chance and take a deep breath and just be really patient because people drive really fast. Like that lady just jumps in your lane, and you have to be mindful and take your time. Slow down. You want to make it across safely, and you will if you use caution. Oh, it still gives me the heebie-jeebies crossing some of these places, but we always make it through. Baby is a great driver, so I'm very grateful for him. So on our way to the Lavenderia, this is what Playa del Carmen looks like for people who've never been. It's a very chill place, lots of residential areas, and it is very relaxing to go to. So we're almost there, but here's what the Lavenderia looks like. Now, I have to let you guys know, pay for parking before you get in the Lavenderia because I don't want your car swooped up. Just pay for the parking, okay? I love coming to this Lavenderia because I can wash about 6 loads in about 4 hours, which is pretty nice. I washed my bed sheets today, Bay's clothes, my clothes, some rugs, so it takes a lot of space. They have huge dryers that you can dry your clothes in, so it's pretty inexpensive to do. And I learn a lot of Spanish here, and the ladies who work here are super nice, so it's a really chill place, and I enjoy my time here. So if you guys are looking for a place you can do your own laundry, definitely come check out Mayalav Lavenderia in Central Playa del Carmen. It is a really, really nice place. This video, Bay and I are driving home with our clean laundry, and we once again are going across the highway I told you separates Playa del Carmen's beach zone from the more local side of town where we live. And here we are at home getting the laundry out of the car. You know how it is, lugging this stuff. I used to do it in New York. I will lug laundry all day. I do not care because I love me some clean clothes. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next video where I show you a day in the life of me. And thank you so much for tuning in.